Hi everyone, welcome to tonight's box break. We have an early box break for our ultimate box. I'm gonna first show you the official eBay screen for date and time. We're currently Monday, November 28th, and it's almost 9 o'clock Montreal time. So we're gonna go ahead and open this ultimate box. So good luck to everyone. First card is for the Winnipeg Jets, Dale Hawerchuk. So this one goes to Phoenix, Coyote Phoenix. This one is for the Minnesota Wild, Justin Fox. Sorry, I was looking for the name. Autograph rookies, numbered of 299. Ultimate signatures, Derek Stepan for the New York Rangers. And last card, this is Cam Fowler, debut threads, numbered of 200 for the Anaheim Ducks. So let's do a quick recap. First we have, here we have Derek Stepan for the New York Rangers, Justin Falk for the Minnesota Wild, Dale Hawerchuk for the Winnipeg Jets, and Cam Fowler for the Anaheim Ducks. So thanks a lot. We still have currently listed a Dominion box, a The Cup box, so go ahead and buy your team spot on hockeyboxbreak.com. Thanks a lot.